I'm Summer Shelby. Welcome to Open House. Today we're in Ocean Springs, really close to downtown in the Water's Edge subdivision, which is just steps from the beach. A gorgeous older neighborhood. This beautiful home, Joanna's meeting us here. She tells me that there's so much behind this little cottage look that you see on the outside. 5 bedrooms. I'm anxious to see what we have in here. So let's go take a look. Joanne, what a beautiful house.
I know, isn't it gorgeous?
It's so deceiving when you're
Yes.
outside. You see this little cottage.
Yes,
and then you
walk in and you see the expanse.
It goes on forever.
Oh my gosh, yes.
So there's 5 bedrooms in this house.
5 bedrooms and 4 full bathrooms. And they're all split so that they have a lot of privacy for each bedroom. You could be here and never even know someone else is in the house.
I can believe that. As I look down here, I can see that. This is one of my favorite neighborhoods. I
mine
love
too.
being able to walk to the beach. Just right here, it's perfect.
Yes.
Such a nice neighborhood too.
Yes.
Okay, well, let's get started.
Come on in. This is a more formal living room.
Yes.
And it has a beautiful fireplace.
Very nice.
It's wood burning, but it has a gas starter.
Oh.
So you can have some cozy fires in here.
You get the wood burning smell and the ease
Oh,
of a
yes.
gas. That's
and
awesome.
lovely vaulted ceilings.
Very
but then you
nice.
also have this great foyer area
Right.
that you can use for entertaining. You could entertain in this house straight from the living room through there into the dining room, and there's a family room as well. This house will accommodate a number of people.
I love that.
Yes.
What a great entertaining space. Or for family gatherings, when you have a lot of family, like at Christmas.
Oh, absolutely. Can you imagine a tree in here with the vaulted
I
ceilings?
know.
That would be so spectacular.
It's beautiful.
Yes, it really is.
Well, tell me, in location to where we're standing, where are the bedrooms?
There are 2 bedrooms on this side.
Okay.
There's one, the master bedroom here, and back at the back of the house is another bedroom. But then upstairs, you have yet another bedroom with a full bath.
Wow.
So everybody has their own private.
Where do we start? Let's go to the kitchen.
Okay.
Where's
let's
the
do
kitchen?
that. The kitchen is this way.
Okay. Oh, wow, look at this.
I know. Isn't it gorgeous?
What a great kitchen.
Well, they have solid wood cabinets,
Yes.
gorgeous granite countertops.
That is beautiful.
And I love the color because it's got the grays and the browns. You can really go either way with anything.
Gray is
that you
very
do.
popular right now.
Isn't it?
Everybody's doing gray,
Yes.
including myself. I love it. It's beautiful.
Yes. Well, it has a gas stove. Everybody's looking for gas. Who doesn't want to be that chef?
I know.
So, and all the appliances are new. Everything in the house has been redone in stages from 1997 when this was added on through 2006. So the house has expanded almost every year.
Wow, they've done such a great job with it. It's hard to add on to a house.
And have it make sense. But
Exactly.
this one does.
It really does.
Yes, it flows
And you've
so
got
well.
another seating area here.
Yeah,
And
here you go with
formal.
a great formal dining room if you want to use it that way, with a beautiful patio right outside that you can eat at. So in opening those doors, you can really expand the area that you have for family, for dinners and things
Just
like
love
that.
this. And look at this, another space in
I
here.
know,
What is
another
this?
family
A
room.
bar?
Oh yes, there is a
love
bar in
this.
here.
Oh, this is awesome. A bar room.
Yes. Well, they said that when the kids were younger, this was the kids' area and the adults used the more formal area. But now that the kids are all gone, they've turned this into just a cozy den kind of clubby space.
Look at the details on the
I
windows.
know. Isn't that cool? I love
It's
that.
like old-timey shutters on the inside. What a great detail.
And yet you still have a beautiful view of the pond outside. So
Yes, I cannot wait to
it
see
gives you
that.
so much space for entertaining or just private time. But it's just so nicely done.
It is. Everything. I mean, they thought of everything. The crown is beautiful. The floors are gorgeous. Very nice.
Yes, and I can imagine spending an evening sitting at the bar.
I can too, in your own home. I love that. And what about over here? Do we have a bedroom?
Over here we have our first bedroom.
Okay. Oh, wow. Big bedroom too.
Oh, I know. This is not the master, but
Wow.
it could be a master.
It's got a bathroom in here.
Yes, it has
Beautiful
a full
bath.
bathroom, a very,
large
very large closet.
Yes.
But it also has lots and lots of space in the room. There is not a small bedroom in this house.
That's the good thing about
Yes.
buying an older home, especially one that's been redone.
Yes.
You still have those large bedrooms. You have good quality construction to work with, to redo.
Yes.
It's fantastic. I wouldn't mind staying here as a guest.
Oh, me either.
All right, and then where are we going from here?
Let's go check out another bedroom.
Okay.
H2O and Beyond Aquatic Center is now open. Come swim with us.
H2O and Beyond Aquatic Center in Pascagoula is your family destination for complete fun under the sun. Right now, swim all day long for only $5. Or $25 a month for 12 months gets you unlimited access for up to 5 family members. Plus, yearly memberships receive discounts on snacks, swim lessons, parties, and so much more. H2O and Beyond Aquatic Center in Pascagoula. Come swim with us.
Tired of looking from store to store for furniture that matches the rest of your decor just to settle for something close? At Willis Furniture, along with the fine quality of their furniture, you can choose to have it custom made in a choice of many different fabrics or leather. Willis offers quality furniture to fit anyone's budget, along with 12 months same as cash and free local deliveries. Stop by Willis Furniture today and bring home the furniture that matches you. Willis Furniture, where quality is still affordable.
Hey Fosters, how do I prepare my air conditioning system for summer?
Hi, I'm Paul Burnett with Foster's Heating and Air. I'm the operations manager. One of the first things you should do to prepare your system for summer is have a technician evaluate your system to ensure that it's operating at peak performance. I mentioned that you've seen us on this show, and we're offering a $59.95 special for a service diagnostic. If you have any questions, give us a call here at Foster's, home of the old reliables.
We count on our teams every day, and so can you.
This is Foster's, home of the old reliable.
We are Foster's.
Save like never before at Coast Chevrolet's Model Year End event.
25% off all 17 models in stock. Silverado, 25% off. Camaros, 25% off. Traverse, 25% off.
Coast Chevrolet in Pascagoula. It's just easier here.
Put your money to work today with our new Platinum Money Market account and take advantage of one of the best money market rates available in South Mississippi. Our Platinum Money Market offers you a 1.10% annual percentage yield and easy access to your funds at CD rate. New money deposits only. Only at Charter Bank. To learn more, call us today. Come by one of our 4 convenient locations or go to mycharterbank.com. 1-to-1 is how we measure success. Limited time offer, subject to change without notice. Other restrictions apply. Equal housing lender, member FDIC. Are you planning on building a new home? Or does your home need remodeling or repairs? No matter the size of the project, Hires Construction has the capability to build high-quality properties from start to finish, while controlling the cost, quality, and timing. So for your next project, choose Hires Construction. Higher quality, higher standards. Hires Construction, family-owned and operated since 2010.
For all your construction needs,
Give us a call at Hires Construction.
While we're on our way to the other bedroom, let me show you the laundry room.
Oh,
We've
wow.
got lots and lots of storage closets and a huge laundry area with the door to the garage.
Okay.
So that, you know, if you're coming and going after mowing the yard, you can drop those sweaty clothes.
Absolutely.
It's a great spot
Or
to have
groceries. The kitchen's right
Oh,
here.
yes.
So you just bring.
You've got a great pantry
Pantry?
here and back into the
in
kitchen.
the kitchen. Oh, wow. That is great. See, that flows just great.
It does, doesn't it? And to get to the other bedrooms, now we're going to go to another side of the house.
Okay. Oh, wow. This is beautiful.
Yes, so here we have a split. We have 2 bedrooms here with a bathroom in between.
Okay.
But just like the last bedroom, this is still a very large room.
It is.
They're using it as an office because obviously with 5 bedrooms,
I know. You
probably
have
don't need
room.
them all.
You might as well. You have
Yes.
room.
Yes.
It's great. It's beautiful.
And then there's a
Beautiful
gorgeous
bathroom.
bath here
Oh,
in the
it
hall.
is.
As you
Love
can
that
see,
glass
everything is
shower.
so up to date. They really
did.
have taken the time to make sure everything is current. And
Beautiful.
then we're into another room.
Oh, how
Here's another
pretty.
lovely bedroom. If you had children, think how fabulous that would be to
Right,
have them
right
right
there.
there, with the bathroom in between so that you
Beautiful
can keep
shutters
an
up
eye on
there, too.
everything. Yes.
They did everything.
Yeah, every single room has the crown molding. The hallways have it, and the window coverings are really nicely done and stay with the house.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yes.
That's very good news.
Yes, and
Okay.
hardwood throughout down here.
I love it. I can't wait to see the real master. These bedrooms are huge.
I know. And the master bedroom is right across here. It has its own private hall so that you go down it and
Master
then you're
suite,
in the
yes.
master suite.
Oh, wow.
So this bedroom has not only the crown molding, but it has a beautiful tray ceiling, and it has 2 oversized closets in the bedroom and also a closet in the hall.
That's
So
fantastic.
you've got hers, and okay, maybe his. But
There's a little space for you.
maybe a little.
Look how big this room
I know,
is.
isn't it huge? And the color is so soft
Oh, it
and restful.
is.
I love that. Hardwood floors again in here. And then we move into the master bath, which again has all the updated cabinetry,
Oh,
has the
yes.
marble countertops, and it's just so lovely and private. You never have to have a guest in your bathroom. If you don't feel like keeping it clean, you don't have to.
And you can just shut the door.
Yes.
Look at that countertop.
I know, isn't that pretty?
Beautiful. Beautiful. They did a fantastic job.
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful bathtub in here. I just love it.
Very spa-like.
I love it. It is spa-like. That's
Yes.
exactly what it is.
Aren't these pretty? I love the stair rail with the curl in the wood. That's so pretty.
And they're so classy.
Now up here is where we have the 5th bedroom.
Oh, yes.
Or it would be a great kids room,
It would be.
hangout, game room.
Oh, my kids would love this.
Oh, wouldn't this be fun?
Yes.
Up here they'd have all the privacy, but lots of space to bounce around, have video games. But there are storage closets.
Okay.
As you can see, all under the eaves, and they have locks in them just in case you have small children.
That's good.
So
Very
you can
smart.
lock the doors.
Mhm. And there's a bathroom up here?
There is a full bathroom up here as well as a generous closet that is sized for clothing.
Right.
So here we have
How
a full
cute.
bath.
Very cute.
Yes. So the kids don't even have to come down.
Just enough for the kids. Or
Yes.
a media room.
Oh, wouldn't that be nice?
But
yes.
yeah, movies. Do family movie night up here.
Yes, and with just the one really large window, you could easily put blackout on
Oh,
that
yes.
so that you'd have a great atmosphere for the movies.
I do love this.
Yes.
It is fantastic. What a great design.
It is. And there's separate air conditioning units for different parts of the house. So if you choose not to air condition the upstairs, you can close that door, it's closed off, and you don't have to run that air conditioning.
That's good too.
Yes, isn't
Saves
that
a little
handy?
money.
Yes, it does.
I can't wait to see the outside patio.
Oh,
I saw it through the
yes.
windows. I want to go see it.
And the fish in the pond.
You got fish?
Yes, they're fish.
That's great.
Now this is great outdoor entertaining space.
Joanna, I think this is my favorite.
Don't you love it?
I love the water sounds.
I know, the beautiful sound of water
the
falling. And the
fish.
fish, you could come out and feed the fish, come have your morning coffee out here, and maybe toss a little toast.
Oh,
But,
I love it.
aren't they beautiful?
It's so relaxing.
Well, and the whole yard is so gorgeously landscaped.
It really is.
You can tell this is landscaping that's been here a long time.
Well,
It's very
well cared
mature.
for. Mhm.
Yes, very well
And you
cared
still
for.
have a lot of yard here.
You do.
You can still do swing sets and soccer out there and
Oh,
whatever.
absolutely. You could put in a pool. And the nice part about it, they've got the awning here, so if the sun gets a little warm, you can drop that down.
Right.
But the space is just, it's peaceful and warm, and great little bridge running across the fish. It's just one of my favorites.
It is.
One of the things you'll notice about the house is every
this.
single door and window has the hurricane shutters that all you have to do is close
Pull
them
them close.
and you're out of here.
That is
So
fantastic.
yes, it's very well outfitted for a hurricane. Not
That's
that we plan to
fantastic.
have one.
No,
but-
never do.
No.
But you like to be prepared.
Yes,
That is being prepared.
absolutely.
I just love this.
Yep.
That is a lot of fish.
That's a lot of fish.
Wow. My kids would die. They would just love it. Oh my gosh.
Well,
have we seen everything?
We have missed the garage, I realize. Would you
Let's
like
go.
to see that?
I want to go see that.
Well, most husbands want to see that.
Absolutely.
And here we have a lovely oversized two-car garage. And you'll notice this is really unique. They have actually air conditioned the garage.
It's cool in here.
Yes. So if you go get in your car in here, you are getting into a pre-air conditioned car.
Absolutely.
Don't you love that?
And my husband wouldn't mind working out here.
Oh, no kidding.
Because it's cool.
Well, he could work out here a lot because there's a workshop.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I love how they finished this floor in here. This is
Oh,
a
I
great
know.
detail.
And the brick steps.
Yes.
But this is a
Oh,
full
wow.
workshop out here.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, all perfectly laid out, and if you'll notice,
And
there's
see?
water out here. So he could have his tools every which way and do all kinds of woodworking or whatever it is he wanted to do in here.
In the air conditioning.
In the air-conditioned workshop, in the air-conditioned garage.
I love that.
Yes.
I really do. That's fantastic.
Yeah, I think that's any handyman's dream.
It really is.
Yeah.
Why not air condition it?
Yeah.
That's awesome. Gosh, there's so much. When you walk into this house, you don't have an idea of what's
No.
going on behind that front door.
No, it is so surprising once you
It
get
really
inside.
is.
It is.
I love it, Joanna. I love it. Joanna, this house has so much to offer someone. And now, tell me again, 5 bedrooms.
5 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, and over 3,800 square feet. 3,800 square feet of exquisite hardwoods and moldings.
Amenities.
Oh, you name it.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, chef's kitchen. I love this house.
I love this house. And you can walk to the beach.
Oh, you can. In just a couple of minutes, you're there.
I love it.
Yes.
How much are they asking?
You're not going to believe it. They are only asking $499,900.
Wow.
Yes, I know.
$499.
Yes.
In this Water's Edge subdivision.
Yes.
That's amazing.
It really is.
So close to downtown, you walk to the beach, you have all this space to entertain. That's fantastic.
It really is. Some lucky family, I know, is going to pop up and just snap up this house anytime soon. It is a beautiful, beautiful house and a great buy.
Oh my gosh. And all the details that are staying. That's just awesome.
It is.
Joanna, thank you so much for letting us come in. It's so beautiful.
Thank you for showcasing this home. I know the owners really appreciate it.
I know everyone's going to love it.
Oh, they will.
Thanks again. Thanks for watching Open House. We'll see you next time.